We've been walking around and noticed a lot of Coyote swaps, and with the Coyote swap generally is coming the 6R80 transmission, which has proven to be a great performance item. We're here with Stifflers, and Brian's going to tell us a little bit about an item to make that swap easier.
Hey Mike. Yeah, so obviously as you said, the 6R80 is getting to be a huge swap for these guys. So what we came up with was a nice install kit that will work on any Mustang from a 79 to an 04. It starts off with one of our more basic cross members, tubular, has adjustability, you know, for fore and aft as it mounts into the car. Couple things that make it unique for the 6R80. Obviously the 6R80 has a totally different type of transmission mount. It has a 3-bolt pattern as we see here. So we designed up a mount that will bolt directly to the rear of the 6R80, and it also incorporates the damping that you would typically find in a standard transmission mount. So, but we've done it with polyurethane disc and a sleeve that goes in between these. So this all mounts up together. You can adjust the vertical height of it easily by putting the 1/4 inch on the bottom or the top, so you can get an additional 1/4 inch vertical adjustable to help guys dial in their pinion angle. And one of the unique things about it as well is that we've also slotted the 3 mounting holes, so that's even more adjustability, because obviously, as you know, there's a whole lot of varieties, you know, as far as who's mounting what and how. So, you know, we need to cover all the bases. The next thing is, because of the length of the 6R80, the mounting brackets that were installed at the factory, they're not the proper location for the cross member to attach to, so we need to come up with a way to attach it. So we designed up these brackets that you can mount anywhere along the subframe. You typically would build the assembly from the transmission down, install this, attach it to the cross member, and then wherever these happen to fall, you go ahead and mark the holes. These can be cross drilled with a backing plate to hold them onto the subframe, or if a guy's really serious, he'll just go ahead and weld these in place. Now you've got the entire assembly that can work in, like I said, from anything from a 79 to an 04, and it's multi-adjustable. There's not an application, quite honestly, that we haven't been able to cover yet with the 6R80. Another really nice added feature is it works with our drive shaft safety loop. So once you would install this, you could also simply pull the bolts back out or install at the same time and have our safety loop as an accompanying product of that. This has been a really hot seller for us. We've actually sold some of these recently to guys doing F100 pickups, some C4 pickups.
It's not just limited to a Fox generation or a Fox 4 style chassis.
No, because there's also some adjustability in the mounting with the slots and the brackets. You know, like I said, we've had guys putting them in, you know, other Ford product, you know, GM product. So yeah, it's definitely covering the market for installation of the 6R80 package.
And it's also adjustable to where, not adjustable, modular to where you can mount any transmission with that.
Yes, exactly. We have another kit that we sell minus this 6R80 specific mount that is a universal kit that we have guys installing G101As. I mean, just a variety of transmissions with them, because once again, with these brackets, you can mount that anywhere you need to and, you know, make it the perfect fit for your application.
Perfect, sounds awesome. It's got some adjustability, some modular add-ons, different transmission mounts to kind of fit a wide variety of stuff.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.